Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen the introductory part of the height and distance, an important aspect of the trigonometry. Now what happen in real situations in the height and distance problems, we don't have always the standard angles which we have learned, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. But in real life situations you will get any angle. You will get 22 degree, 23 degree 45 minutes, 30 degree, 39 degree, 32 degree, 33 degree 45 minutes, 32 seconds, any angle. So in that case what we will do? So for this case we have to learn about the concept of trigonometric tables. How will we find the value of any trigonometric ratio like sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot of any angle? Suppose for example we have question first is find the value of sine 35 degree and 22 minutes. So here this angle is not the standard angle. You know what is sine 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. But how we will calculate 35 degree and 22 minutes? So in this case, we will use the trigonometric tables. We can use natural sine table from 0 to 90 degree. Then the cos tables we have. So here we have find the value of sine 35 degree and 22 minutes. So what we will do using the table of natural science, we see 35 degree in the horizontal line. Okay, so let's see where is 35 degree. Here are the degrees and these are the minutes. Okay, and this is mean difference. I will tell you about it. Okay, now here we have 35 degree. Where is 35 degree? Here. So here we have 35 degree, and corresponding to the different angles we have the values of minutes in the different columns. Okay, 6 minutes means 0.1 degree, 0. We have to find 35 degree. Okay, we will move towards the horizontal line about 35 degree. Now here the minute is 22 minutes. Now let's see in the column what we have. We have 6 degree, 12 degree, 18 degree, 24 degree, not 22 degree. So what we will do, we see 35 degree in the horizontal line, and for 18 minute. Why? Because here we have 0 minute, 6 minutes and then 12 minute and then 18 minute, and after 18 minutes we have 24 minutes, and 24 minutes are greater than 22 minutes. So the important point here is that if we don't have the exact minute corresponding to the columns which we have here, then the value of minute exactly less than the value that you have to find. Exactly less than value before 22 minute is, here is 18 minute, not 24. 24 minute is greater. Okay, so fourth column, 1 2 3 4. So in the horizontal row of 35 minutes, the fourth value, because this value is the value corresponding to the 18 minutes. So what we have here, value of sine 35 degree 18 minute is 0.5779. Note that here all these values are after the decimals. See, in the first column you have decimals, and it is understood for each column. That is, here at each value we have decimal. Okay, so sine 35 degree 18 minute is 0.5779. Now here we have to find 35 degree 22 minutes. Now 22 minutes minus 18 minute is 4 minutes. So here we have the difference of 4 minutes. Okay, now we will use the mean difference column. What we have in the row of 35 degree, in 35 degree we have 10. Under the column of 4, the value of 10. that is 0.0010, the 4 places after the decimal. So that means we will add this 10 in the value 0.5779. We will get 0.5789. Okay, this is the value of sine 35 degree 22 minutes. Now here the important point is that why we have added the mean difference, because see here the value, you know from the previous class that the value of sine increases from 0 to 90 degree. Sine 0 is 0, and then you will here have sine 91. Okay, case of cos it is opposite. That means the value of cos decreases from 0 degree to 90 degree. In the case of tan, it is like sine, value of tan increases from 0 to 90 degree. So tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, then root 3, then infinity. It increases from 0 to 90 degree. What we have here, we have in the case of sine and tan, add the mean difference, and in the case of cos, subtract the mean difference. Suppose we have to find the value of sine 71 degree 31 minutes. Okay, so what we will do, we will see the row corresponding to the value of 71 degree. Now in the minutes column we will see the value which is exactly less than 31 minutes, because here we have to find the value of 71 degree and 31 minutes. See here we have 30 minutes, because 36 minutes is greater than 31 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sixth column. So we will see the value in the sixth column corresponding to the row of 71 degree. So here we have 71 degree, and in the sixth box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 9483. So the value of sine 71 degree 30 minutes is 0.9483. Now the difference, 31 minutes minus 30 minutes is of 1 minute. Now let's see the mean difference column. Mean difference here is 1 minute, and you have to see in the row of 71 degree. So 71 degree and 1 minute. So here we have 1. So we have to, what we have learned in the previous point, we have to add the mean difference. So that means 0.9483 plus 1. So here we will get 0.9484. Therefore sine 71 degree 31 minute is 0.9484. Right? Now let's see a question related to cos. Find the value of cos 3 degree 11 minute. Again we will follow the same pattern. Now here we are in the natural cosine table. Now we will see the degree value corresponding to the value of 3. So here in the 1, 2, 3, 4th, and here the minute is 11 minutes. What is the value which is exactly less than 11? That is here 6 minutes. So in the 3 degree 6 minute we have 0.9985. So cos 3 degree 6 minute is 0.9985. Okay. Now what is the difference? Difference is 11 minute minus 6 minute, that is 5 minutes. So in the mean difference column we will see in the 5th column and in the corresponding row of the 3 degree. So mean difference is 1. So we will subtract, because what I have said in the previous point, in the case of cos, subtract the mean difference, because the value of cos decreases from 0 degree to 90 degree. So 0.9985 minus 1 will be 0.9984. Therefore, cos 3 degree 11 minute is 0.9984. Suppose we have to find the value of tan 15 degree 2 minutes. Again we move towards to the tan table. Now here we have 15 degree 2 minutes, so we will see the row where we have 15 here, and here the minute is 2 minutes, so we will see a column which is exactly less than 2 minutes, 0 minute, because 6 minute is greater than 2. So in this column we will write the value which is corresponding to the value 15. So here we have 0.2679. So what we will get? Tan 15 degree 0 minute. Okay, that is same as 15 degree. Tan 15 degree. We will get 0.2679. 0.2679. Now what is the difference? What is the difference? Here we have the difference. The difference is 2 minus 0, 2 minutes. So we will move to the mean difference column, and in the second column corresponding to the value of 15. So what we have here, 15, and in the second column we have 6. So what we will do, we will add 0.2679 plus 6. So we will get 0.2685. So value of tan 15 degree 2 minute is 0.2685. Okay. Now your homework is find the value of tan minutes. Second question is tan 82 degree 18 minutes. Third is cos 86 degree 40 minutes. Fourth is cos 45 degree 58 minutes. Fifth is sin 65 degree 20 minutes. And sixth is sin 23 degree 56 minutes. Okay. So you have to solve these questions. Download the trigonometric tables from the NCERT website, or you can get the various results in the Google. You can download it from there also, or in many of the practical copies in the back side pages we will see these types of tables. You can use there also. And just remember the one thing, the horizontal rows and the column, and then the mean difference. And in the case of sin and tan you will add the mean difference, and in the case of cos you will subtract the mean difference. Okay, so solve this question. In the next class we will apply this concept in the height and distance. So for today, thank you.